Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today's video, I'm going to feature to you as a suggestion from one of my viewers and subscribers. I'm going to present to you my everyday carry or EDC. First thing that I will show you as one of my everyday carry is this tactical pen. I've been carrying this tactical pen for the past 1 year already. I bought this tactical pen from Amazon.com, and this is very cheap. Bought it for less than $30, and this is colored black. It has a point there which can break a glass. It has a flashlight, but unfortunately the flashlight is no longer working, and this is a good tactical pen. You can twist it, and here is the ballpoint, and you can easily change ink with this kind of replacement. This is my tactical pen. It can be used also for self-defense as a form of like a knife. So you can watch on YouTube on how to use this tactical pen as a self-defense weapon if you are interested to use this tactical pen as a self-defense or for you to be protected. So this is the first EDC that I have. The second everyday carry that I have with me is this Swiss Army knife. This is a very special Swiss Army knife, and it is called the Ranger. Hole on the blade which you can usually use if you want to bring out the blade. You can retract the blade by just pressing this, and you can retract the blade to the handle, and it has some other tools in it. We have the screwdriver, the can opener. You have also another can opener and a screwdriver also, and another screwdriver for Philip, and then it has another blade or it can puncture any holes. So basically you have the following tools. This is the blade with a hole, the can opener, a screwdriver, the Philip screwdriver, a puncher, and of course another can opener with a screwdriver. This is a very nice carry, everyday carry, which I always carry in my pocket whenever I'm here in my farm. I usually carry this, and it is very easy to bring out the blade. Just push it with your thumb, and there. Once again. Nice. We are now coming to the best part of this video. Last month I was able to visit one of the stores at the mall. This is called the Han Manila. Han Manila is one of those old and historic stores that is located here in Metro Manila. Han Manila offers different items in their inventory, and most of them are firearms, pistols, revolvers, anything about outdoors you can buy at Han Manila. It could be flashlight, it could be knives, it could be any tools that you need in outdoors. You can find it at Han Manila. And last month, to be exact, 2 weeks ago, I went there and I got two pieces that I like from them, and I would like that these pieces will be included in my everyday carry. So we're going to unbox these items for the first time. First item is this. The brand is called Stade, and we're going to open this and find out what is inside. This is a EDC or everyday carry, a very nice knife. It has a chain with it. So first I'm going to show you the knife. The sheet is some sort of a plastic. It has some holes and it has some strings that is being tied on the handle. So we're going to open it, and this is the blade. So you should hear a click if you're going to remove the blade and return it. It has a chain that goes with it. Going to instead of placing it in your pocket or on your waist, you can use it with the chain that goes with it around your neck and here. So you can wear this knife around your neck and nice. As I carry this, it will be better if I'm going to use the chain around my neck and have it dangled like that, and it's okay. And the last item is, this is a small flashlight from LED Lenser. I had wanted to have a flashlight that I can carry every time inside my pockets. That's the reason why I bought this kind of flashlight. So we're going to open. It has a clip. It's nice to just clip it on your pocket or clip it on the pocket of your jeans, and it is very light. It is only about 3 inches in length, and the on-off button is at the far edge. If this is the light source, the bulb, this is the on-off. So if you press it, okay, and the head is retractable. You can head it dim or just focus in one area, or then spread out. It's very light and very handy. It's 90 lumens. Distance is where the light can reach is 110 meters. So basically this is very strong handheld flashlight. These are my everyday carry. I have my tactical pen, I have my Swiss knife, I have this new small knife with a blade only, and the chain, and this flashlight. With that, thank you for watching and have a good day. Thanks.